Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to draw UML diagrams in Lucidchart. UML diagrams help you visually represent the structure and behavior of your software, making complex systems easier to understand. First, log into your Lucidchart account and create a new blank document. Once inside, look for the Shapes library and enable the UML shapes if they aren't already visible. Start by dragging the relevant UML shapes onto your canvas, such as classes, interfaces, or actors, depending on the type of diagram you want to create. You can resize and position these shapes to organize your diagram clearly. Next, connect the shapes using lines or arrows to represent relationships. Use solid lines for associations, dashed lines for dependencies, and arrows to indicate direction where needed. Double-click on each shape or line to add labels, names, or notes, ensuring your diagram communicates the correct information. You can also use color coding or grouping to make the diagram more readable. Finally, review your diagram to make sure all elements are properly connected and labeled. Once satisfied, you can save, export, or share your UML diagram directly from Lucidchart. And that's it. Now you know how to create clear and professional UML diagrams in Lucidchart to map out your software systems effectively. Thanks for watching and happy diagramming!